This Rheem 90% furnace, straight pipe out the top with the T. We've got the drains. This is the supply coming down. I got them actually, it's common vented all together, so I had no choice. So that drain comes down to here, comes here. This one comes here and is vented right there. It comes down to a main drain to the sink. Got the overflows, the pan, safeties. So we're good. Our duct leakage is 15 CFM after we did our pressure test. I have no power to the condenser, so I'll have to start that at a later date. Alrighty, the condenser's all done. We have no power. No power. The electricians have got to come back, but there you go. Just visualize the Rheem 2-ton condenser running.